Oh shoot. And so it begins. Back again. Like we never left. Mic check. Mic check. Maybe I'll skip further into this song. I'll leave it at half of the song. Alright. I don't know if you guys remember this, but let's just delete it and start from scratch. So let's do this, delete. Lie. Alright, let's begin this. I'm gonna go through it quickly because I'd rather not even do this again, but clearly I didn't understand it last time, so we're doing it again. Alright, great. 6 and 3. Does it want 7.5? Yeah. Alright, mirror line here. Entities to be mirrored. Alright. Do I have to reset it now? Or? Da, na, na. Na, 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 na. Alright, so done. Alright, so select an offset plane from the top profile. Use top plane. Offset is dum 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 dum. Choose the plane in the feature. Alright. Stop playing. Offset. 0.5. And they flipped it negative. Alright. There we go. All done. It's good now. Alright. Hold on. In the dialog, click edges. Is that like a setting I don't have? the dialogue click edges. What dialogue? Oh, okay. Oh, it doesn't seem like it wants to work. Oh, that's a problem. Hold on. Oh, I know why that's like that. Done. Over here. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna skip a little bit into this. Yeah, there we go. Listening to freaking Sonic music, bruh. I honestly don't know why this does not work. Ah, crap. Okay, but why are they even there? Like, in all honesty, do they need to be there? I constrained it here. Why are these even here? Do you get what I mean? Why do we have construction lines in the background? We already know it's a square. Like, I'm gonna go do my own thing. I'm not sure. Oh. They're just lines to copy around for the plane. Oh. Okay. Chain connected. Tangent connected? Nothing. Whatever. You said N-words, right? Alright. No, this shit makes no sense. Why is this opposite there? We just created the top profile. And we told the bottom profile to. That is curious, actually. We just worked on the bottom profile, right? And made it smaller than the top. So why the hell is my bottom bigger? This is the top. This is the bottom. Oh, now it works? This shit is cooked. No wonder it didn't work. Now it's right. we just made the top smaller, so yeah. did. Oh, I'm one off, but. I need to go blow my nose. Ra, I've returned.
Splines are piecewise
Spine.
polygons between interpolation points that maintain curvature
Shut up.
continuity along their length. They are a good option for creating organic shapes where lines and arcs alone do not suffice. Splines are commonly used as a path along which to sweep geometry, guide curves and lofts, or even to create complex profile shapes by tracing a sketch picture. To create a spline, select the Spline Sketch tool in the Sketch toolbar. Click once to create the first endpoint. Each successive click locates an additional spline point and generates a curve through the points, maintaining curvature continuity. To finish the spline, simply double-click while placing the last spline point, or press the Escape key on the keyboard to terminate the spline tool. The two endpoints of the spline have handles that determine the direction and magnitude of the tangent vectors at the spline's endpoints. We will learn more about controlling the spline handles in the next video. To create a closed spline, click the last endpoint to be coincident to the first endpoint. This creates a closed curvature continuous profile. The shading indicates a closed profile. Splines are quite dynamic and can be manipulated after creation. We will see some examples of this in the next few videos. Once a spline has been created, the spline points and handles may be adjusted and controlled with dimensions and sketch relations. The two endpoints of the spline display a spline handle to control the direction and magnitude of the spline. To adjust the handle, simply click the open circle of the handle and drag. It is common to add horizontal or vertical constraints between the endpoints of the spline and the end of the spline handle to ensure tangency. A length dimension may be added between the endpoint of the spline and the handle to define the magnitude. For easier handle control, create construction lines where those endpoints are coincident to the spline handle and spline endpoint. Angles can also be added between the construction line and other entities in the sketch to control the direction. For example, to control the draft angle of the geometry that will be created from this spline. The other spline points between the first and last endpoint do not have handles, but can be repositioned simply by clicking and dragging the points to the desired location. Add dimensions between spline points to define the location. Note, adding a dimension to the spline defines the spline length. For additional control, more spline points may be added to the spline by selecting the Spline Point Sketch tool and clicking on the spline where another point is needed. Spline points can also be removed by right-clicking on the point and choose Delete Sketch Entity. Be sure to select the spline point and not the entire spline. To create a smooth curve, control splines with the fewest amount of spline points possible. Between the spline points, the interpolation is infinitely smooth. At the spline points, there is G2 continuity, but the rate of change of curvature can abruptly change at the point, which may cause a jagged curvature cone. The best results are achieved if spline curves are created with the minimum number of interpolation points. By deleting some of the unnecessary spline points, the needed shape can still be controlled, but the curvature cones will be smoother, resulting in a smoother spline. The quality of the spline controls the quality of the surface created from it. It is common to reference a photograph or napkin sketch image when starting a design. This is especially useful when working with splines to trace the needed shape of an image. In this video, we'll take a look at how to insert a sketch picture that we can then trace.
That's what I was trying to figure out how to do.
Images are 2D entities and can be inserted into a sketch. Start by creating a sketch on a plane or face in the orientation and location where the image is needed. Then select Insert Image on the sketch toolbar.
Oh.
If the image has already been uploaded to Onshape, either as a tab in the current document or in another document, select the appropriate option from the dialog. Otherwise, use the Import option at the bottom left of the dialog. Browse to the file location, select the image, and choose Open. Note, supported file formats include JPEG, PNG, and BMP. The image uploads into Onshape into the current document and displays in the Insert Image dialog under Current Document. Select the newly imported image in the dialog. Then, follow the prompts at the top of the graphics area and sketch a rectangle. The image displays within the construction rectangle. The construction rectangle can be constrained with dimensions in rectangle displays within the image rectangle graphics area. Then, follow the prompts at the top of the graphics area and sketch a rectangle.
Oh.
The image displays within the construction rectangle. The construction rectangle can be constrained with dimensions and sketch relations. The sketch image retains the image ratio, so only one dimension is needed to define the image size. A horizontal constraint is automatically created on the bottom construction line. To rotate the image, delete the horizontal relation. As a best practice, keep images in their own sketch, even if the intention is to trace the image. Keeping an image in its own sketch makes it easier to hide or show just the image at a later time. Renaming the sketches with images also makes it easier to identify those sketches. You might add sketch pictures to several different planes to establish the view of the intended model from different orientations. More on these techniques are explained in future courses.
Owned by me. Na, 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 na. Face of the shell. not gonna lie to you, I don't see the origin right now. Anyway. I'm not sure why the I'll just do this. Just create a construction line. This is definitely in the middle. Damn. Anyway. Still nothing. Oh, because the origin's hidden. Wow. Okay. No wonder. Anyway. Alright, done. Too close splines. Oh, okay. Whew. Alright, let's get out of splines. Let's look at the combs. Man, oh man. Alright. I mean, this kind of looks like a better end anyway, but I won't do it. Alrighty. Now so begins the splines. Correct that one out a little. Alrighty. Now, another spline. What's the shortcut for it? No shortcut? Okay. I'll hit S, pull up a quick menu. And get into it. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na. I can just do that. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-da-da-da-da. I don't feel like I need any constraints. I did a pretty good job drawing this thing. What is this even tangent with? But let's look at my constraints. That ruined that. It's not vertical. So, to me it's fine. To me it is fine. Collinear? The heck is that? Alright, C-O-L-L. Oh my goodness. C-O-L. Collinear. That? Is that it? In geometry, set of points, property that are lying on the same line. What? They're not lying. Oh, okay. And what was it saying? The lines are. So to make sure the lines are a set of points, property of they're lying on a single line for aligned objects. So to make sure they're all aligned, but doesn't it just make them horizontal? Whatever. Okay. Okay, on shape. Fair enough. Eventually I'm gonna get used to this. Can I go like this and then hold on to it in the end and then let go? Nope, doesn't work. If I double click, it gets rid of it though. No, 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 no. If you have a jug, get into it, yeah. Escape. Yeah, how I feel. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na. Oh wait, that's all I'm just saying. There's no music. No, what the hell am I listening to right now? September, about to be cold as shit. I do not like the fall. And there I am, doing job inside. Oh wait, no. What the fuck is this even mean? Anyway, I'll shut up and let the music play. No, I won't actually. I'll keep yapping. Bro, is he sure this is his friend? This feels like a love song, but he's talking about his friend. Bro's tripping, though. That's not your friend, guy. I don't think that's your friend. I'm gonna be real with you. That's definitely not your friend. Oh my god. Well. Ah, crap. I got a control point there. Confirm spawn. He's on a dubious amount of copium. That is not your friend. Alright, done. Alright, my special friend. I'm crying. Yeah. You can thank FreeCAD for getting me really good at this. Unshapy. applied. The logo sketch double. Change the trace. Bye bye. Let me fix this. Oh, it's horizontal. Still looks like Garbo. Alright. What's next? Not this. When working with splines, it is common to leave the sketch undefined and make edits easier. You're dang right. You see my FreeCAD stuff? None of it was locked up. Create an extrude feature, remove trace steps in a 0.01 in depth. Oh man. Alright. Wait. Dun dun. 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 It's displayed. Implement my shapes. Take on. Break on. Da-da-da-da-da. Am I missing? Combined surface area of the deboss on shape. This is the whole part. So how the heck am I supposed to find that out? You told me to click on the shape, right? Select the face of the letters. Okay. It's still 50. Dog, what the actual hell? Or part did it not understand? Dog, you're not serious. There we go. Self check, begin the self check. Self check, like self check. Self check. Na, 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 na. And then you have to.
The curvature sketch constraint matches curvature between two curves, ensuring G2 continuity. This constraint may be used between any spline or conic and another curve.
A conic of a spline.
A curvature constraint between two curves results in a smoother transition between the curves. tangency only ensures G1 continuity, whereas the curvature constraint ensures G2 continuity. If you need to make two curves G2 continuous, select the curves and choose the curvature constraint in the sketch toolbar. Note, if the two curves do not share a coincident endpoint, this constraint defines the two endpoints closest to each other to be coincident.
Noted.
Polygonal Bezier curves are parametric
Bezier.
curves defined by their control points. A third-degree Bezier curve is similar to a two-point spline curve. Coordinates of both curves are third-degree polynomials.
What the heck
Create
is
a
that?
Bezier curve, select Bezier from the sketch toolbar. Click and release on the sketch plane to place control points. When placing control points for a Bezier curve, you are placing points on the control polygon, not the curve itself. A Bezier curve cannot create a closed loop. Use the spline tool for a closed loop instead. To end a Bezier curve, double-click when placing the last control point, or hit Escape on the
My
keyboard.
guy made a star
Once a Bezier
constellation.
curve is placed, the control polygon can be modified. N control points define a Bezier curve of degree n minus 1. The degree can be lowered by deleting control points, or elevated by adding additional control points. Existing control points can be deleted by either right-clicking the control point and selecting Delete Sketch Entity, or selecting the control point and pressing Delete on the keyboard. Additional control points can be added to the control polygon by selecting the Spline Control Point tool, then clicking on the control polygon where the additional control point or points should be placed. The best curve results when controlling the Bezier curve with the least amount of control points necessary to achieve the desired shape. The Bezier control polygon is subject to sketch constraints and dimensions. The curvature of the Bezier curve can be visualized in greater detail with Show Curvature. To show curvature of a Bezier curve, right-click the curve and select Show Curvature. Show Curvature is discussed in more detail in the Introduction to Curves video. The Bezier curve allows for a higher degree of polynomials and can be used for smoother transitions with control of tangency at the ends of the curve.
Oh wow. This is quite the course. Is actually gonna take me a while to finish. Oh damn, I'm already at an hour? Looks like I just sat down. Alright, next up 3D curves. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat something. And when I come back, I will resume. Damn, my music isn't even playing. Tight. You know what? It's like the sound, but let's hear. So, and with that said, guys, thanks for watching the episode of the Minecraft. Alright, I'm done. Episode 60.